Yes, people, and welcome to a video about WhatsApp. And in today's video, we're gonna delete WhatsApp. So if you want to get rid of WhatsApp, you are at the right place at this moment because we are gonna try to delete it. So first, you have to open WhatsApp, of course, and then you come in your settings. If you click right at the bottom, you see settings, and there is and one because there is an update of WhatsApp and I can install it, but we don't need it today. We go delete it. You see at the left you see account. It's a white key with blue borders, and you click account, and then you see already delete my account. Tap it and you can delete your account right here. Deleting your account will delete your account information and profile photo, delete you from WhatsApp groups, and delete your message history on this phone and your iCloud backup. So nothing is visible anymore, and you are rid of WhatsApp if you fill in your phone number correctly, what's connected to WhatsApp. And if you don't want to delete, you can also change your number instead. So if you don't want to delete it, change your number, and I make a special video about it later. Yes, so that's how you do it. And well, if you don't succeed, please leave it in the comments, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel. Bye for now. Thank you.